In class third students, once again we are here, you know all very well because of the situation that is Omicron and Corona. So again we are started this online session for you all, my dear students. So in class we had completed till chapter 6, right? So in this video I will start chapter 7, that is introduction to logo. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about the logo. What is logo? Okay, so you tell me first, you know all very well, right, about Kampati and Shreya. They both are friends. Okay, very good. So see, let's start. Kampati is asking to Shreya, Shreya, do you know that you can communicate with computer? Computer is asking to Shreya or telling to Shreya कि you know कि we can talk with computer also. Shreya is asking, Shreya is telling, is it possible? Seriously, can we talk to computer also? So computer is telling yes, with the help of some languages like Logo, QBasic, Java, etc. Like we are talking with each other in Hindi language or English language, in different kind of language we are talking whatever we know. Okay, whatever is the opposite person will understand, another person will understand, like why we use that language only, or if we know the language then we use that language. Okay, so likewise computer also have different languages like Logo, QBasic, Java, etc. So in this video we will discuss about which language? Logo. Okay, very good. So see, what is computer language? Like we said कि आपकी मातृभाषा कौन सी है ना? So what you said, हिंदी. हमारी मातृभाषा कौन सी है? हिंदी. So what is computer language? As we talk to each other in English, Hindi or any other language, similarly computer needs a language to communicate. This language is called computer language. See, as we know, we talk to each other in different languages, what we know and what they'll understand. In that language we will talk to each other. Okay, so likewise computer also needs a language. Okay, you know language means भाषा, communicate means बात करना, ठीक है, talk बात करना. तो computer also needs a language to understand. So that language is called computer language. Understand? So let's start about logo. What is logo? The full form of logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented. Okay, it stands for logic oriented and graphic oriented. Logo is a computer language. Okay, जैसे अभी मैंने कहा what's your sorry, आपकी मातृभाषा क्या है? हिंदी. Like that, logo is a computer language. It is used to draw figures, type text and perform simple arithmetic operations with the help of this language. Okay, with the help of this language we used to draw different kind of figures. Figures means anything, like you want to draw anything. You can type text also, you can type anything. You can perform calculations also, like plus, multiplication, division. These things are included in arithmetic operations. Okay, so with the help of logo language, computer language, this is the language of computer. With the help of this language we can perform different kind of arithmetic operations, we can draw figures, type text. All these things we can do with the help of this language. Which one? Logo. Understand? See, till we studied about how we what is the language of computer. Okay, so we know about the language of computer. The logo is the language of computer. With the help of logo we can communicate with computer. Okay, so now we understand only. If we have to do work on that program, so what we do? Firstly we have to start that program, then we will do na. Okay, so starting the logo program means how to start this program in your computer or laptop. How can you open this program in your computer or laptop? Let's see. MSW logo or Microsoft Windows. What is the full form of MSW? Microsoft Windows. Okay, and I already told you what its logo stands for. Logical oriented or graphical oriented. Logic oriented and graphic oriented. Okay, so MSW logo or Microsoft Windows logo is version of logo programming language for use with Microsoft Windows. Means we can use this logo with Microsoft Windows. This is the version of programming language. Means I told you about there are so many languages of computer, logo, Java, and all. So these includes in the this logo is also includes in that programming language. Okay. So see how to open this program in our computer. To open the logo program, follow the steps given below. If you want to open the logo in your computer or desktop, for that see the steps. Step 1 is click on start button. Step 2, select all programs. Step 3, click on Microsoft Windows logo. See, your program will be appear in your desktop screen, on your desktop screen. So firstly what you have to do, just go on the start button. See, with the help of image, see. When you will on your desktop, the screen will be appear, है ना? So in the taskbar where you have to go, in the start button, ठीक है? On the start button you have to go firstly. After that, above the start button, all programs is mentioned there. All programs is there. In the all programs, one list is up. One list will be appear. In that list, you will find the Microsoft Windows logo. Okay. So you have to click on that program. Then it will appear in your desktop or laptop. Okay. So with the help of this, you will get your program on your desktop screen. Okay. See how it will look. See, when you will click on the program, it will look like this. It will appear on your screen like this. This is your MSW logo screen. And see, it have many components. It has many components. So these components we will discuss in the next class. Unless revise all these things which I have taught in this video. Okay, if there is any doubt regarding any topic, just ask me in the comment section or in the doubt class. Without any hesitation, feel free to ask me. Okay, so that's all for today from my side. Thank you, class.